Hey friends, this is MotiWave. Today, we're going to talk about making money. Many people dream of financial freedom, but have you ever thought about where money actually comes from and what determines your income? Money is not just paper bills or numbers in your bank account, it's a reflection of your hard work, discipline, and the value you bring to the world. In this video, I'll break down each of these components and share practical tips to help you move towards financial success. So, get comfortable, grab some tea or coffee, and let's dive in. No matter how much we dream about easy money, the truth is that nothing comes without effort. This doesn't mean you have to work yourself to exhaustion, but expecting a stable income without putting in the work is unrealistic. Money is earned in exchange for your effort, whether physical or intellectual. Look at successful people, none of them became rich overnight. They spent years working, developing skills, and gaining experience. Take Elon Musk, for example. He didn't just sit around dreaming about space, he worked 100-hour weeks, developed new technologies, and took enormous risks. And the results speak for themselves. Of course, you don't have to work 100-hour weeks, but improving your skills and seeking new opportunities is essential. Instead of complaining about a low salary, ask yourself, what can I do to earn more? Make a list of your professional goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Identify a skill that people are willing to pay for and start learning it, even just 30 minutes a day. Take on small projects to understand how to monetize your skills and practice. If you're good at drawing, start posting your artwork. Eventually, you'll find clients who love your work. Let's say you've started earning money. What's next? If you lack financial discipline, your money will slip through your fingers, and no amount of income will save you. Believe it or not, even people who earn large sums can live paycheck to paycheck if they don't manage their money wisely. Financial literacy is the key skill that separates wealthy people from those who struggle. As your income increases, your expenses tend to grow as well, but managing them effectively is crucial. Look at Warren Buffett. He's a billionaire, yet he has lived a relatively modest life, focusing on investing and managing his money wisely. This doesn't mean you should deprive yourself of everything, but you need to learn how to allocate your budget properly. If you master financial control, you'll always have money for important things, not just impulsive purchases. Track all your income and expenses, even if it's just in your phone's notes. Even better, create an Excel spreadsheet where you record every transaction, including the amount, date, and purpose. This will help you analyze your finances over time. Save at least 10% of your income immediately after getting paid. Learn the basics of investing to make your money work for you instead of just sitting idle. Now, let's talk about the most important factor, value. Your income is directly tied to the value you provide to others. The more valuable your work is, the more money you can earn. People don't pay just for nice words or for showing up at the office, they pay for results. Take Apple, for example. They don't just sell phones, they create a unique user experience and technology that makes people's lives easier. That's why their products are expensive, and people are willing to pay. Think about what problem you can solve for others. In any business or job, demand determines your level of income. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve better than others? Find ways to make your work more efficient and useful to clients. Learn to create value rather than just doing a job. This will transform you from an ordinary employee into a professional or entrepreneur. Let's sum it up. To make money, you need 3 things: hard work, discipline, and value. Without effort, there will be no results. Without discipline, money won't stay with you. And without creating value, your income will remain stagnant. Start applying these principles today, and over time, you'll see real changes in your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment about the topics that interest you. Let's explore together how to make life better and wealthier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. Remember, money isn't magic, it's the result of specific actions. It's time to take action.